Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the audio source and securing immediate rights. If you pick royalty-free, confirm the license terms. If commissioning, get written permission. Once done, timestamp the sections you plan to use and note durations. Make sure to export a clean reference file for editing software. You should also prepare an attribution line and save any license receipts or emails as proof. This prevents disputes later and keeps your workflow organized for the edit that follows. Start editing using only the sections covered by your license. Once you chop clips, label them with source and length. If you alter tempo or pitch, document those changes because they affect rights and can support fair use arguments in some jurisdictions. Make sure to include stems or separated tracks when required by the agreement. Once edited, embed license metadata and a visible attribution layer so platforms can display usage info. This reduces takedown risk, and export your final file with embedded metadata and add a clear on-screen credit line before uploading. When you publish, attach license documents or links in the description and choose platform dispute options proactively. If a takedown or claim appears, act fast. Gather your license, timestamps, edit logs, and any written permissions, then file a dispute citing exact terms. If things still go wrong, contact the licensor directly and escalate to the platform with documented evidence. This usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.